everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. So I took a week off and I'm refreshed and coming back to you guys again. Sometimes you just need to take a break, right? So as you can see from the title, today is my rolling project pan update. So without further ado, let's just get into it instead of blabbering on and on. So let's just go through the products, see what kind of progress I made on them this month, okay? So the first is my Fenty gloss. I'm still working on this. I had a really good year in 2023 for like lip products. This year I'm trailing behind a little bit, but whatever, it is what it is. But I really want to get this finished up this year because it's getting older in my collection, and I tried to pan it last year and I didn't, so it's still rolling over. 32 grams. It's still 32 grams. I believe that's what it was last month too. Yeah, so no change in this. You take very little of that though anyway. The next is my e.l.f. powder, and this was 59 grams last month I think, and it's 59 grams this month, so no change in that because I haven't really been using that because I've been putting on cream products and putting other things over it. Sometimes I just use this if I don't want to wear like a face of makeup, so I haven't really used it. The next is this MARC Andy powder, and I'm just going to show you guys where the progress is on that. Can you see where it's being used down to? Last month it was 48, I believe, and this month I think it's 47. Okay, last month it was 48, this month it's 47. My Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This was a gift from my friend Jacqueline for Christmas a couple years ago. So I want to get this out too because they say that the color changes and it starts to smell when it's not good. It hasn't really changed color. It's the same color it was, but here's where it's up to right here where my finger is. So it pushes up from the bottom. So I know I got some progress on that because I use that. I used to save it for special occasions, but if I do that, it's going to expire. Well, it's expired. It only is supposed to last for so long, but it's not breaking me out, and it still smells okay and working okay. So I want to use it up before it goes bad on me. So this last month was 77 grams, and this month it's 75 grams. So I used 2 grams of product in the month. So I'm really hoping I can get this out this month. If I can wear more makeup this month, I'm hoping that happens. The next product is my Too Faced Candy Cane Gloss, and I'm just checking the totals. Okay, my Candy Cane liquid lipstick, Melted Matte liquid lipstick, which is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. Sorry, does my head look cut off? Maybe I should back up a bit. I used 1 gram. It was 31 grams last month. It's 30 this month. This is also in another project, my project lip lesson plan, so I've been getting more use out of it anyway. So this is the oldest lip product in my collection. It still smells like candy canes. It still performs well, but I would really like to get it out this year if possible. So we'll see what I can do with that. The next is the Charlotte Tilbury BALM, and we used up 1 gram of that this month. So it was 12 grams last month. It is 11 grams this month. This is just like an everyday color. You could throw this in your purse and take it with you if you want, but there's still quite a bit left in there, as you can see. So we'll be working on it for a while, but has a great vanilla smell. It's working great. It's just an effortless everyday color that you can use. The next product is the Jelly Blush, and I haven't used it this month because I've been concentrating on other products. So it was 25 last month. It's 25 this month. The next product is my Rare Beauty Bronzing Stick, and I think I do have a little bit of weight change in this one. Last month it was 37, and this month it's 36. So 1 gram of product on this too. Look at my packaging. It's all dirty. I gotta go through and like makeup gets the outside packaging that's dirty from being used all the time. And then we have the LANEIGE Gummy Bear Lip Mask. This month it was last month it was 9 grams. This month it was 8 grams. So I used 1 gram, and you can see there I hit the bottom, and I'm kind of working on the sides now. You can see a little bit of pan on the bottom. So I have no doubt in my mind I'll use this up because they just go quick. And then the last product was this vanilla bean hand cream. It's gone. It's empty. It's gone. So that's going to be an empty for this month. So I have one empty, and I have some progress on some other things. I don't wear makeup every day, so it takes me a little bit longer sometimes to pan stuff than it does for other panners. But I'm trying to get in the habit of putting it on every day, get myself fixed up. Even if I can just pull off 3 times a week just to like get some use out of my stuff, that'd be good. One of those days. I used to wear makeup every day, especially when I worked outside the home. I used to, but not so much anymore. So I do have one product rolling out. It's an empty, so I have to roll another one in. So I'm going to use my Sephora eyeliner. It's a brown color. It's in Tirimasu. I love this liner, so I want to add this in and just use it up. And I can just always buy another liner. It's going to take me a while to do this because it's an eyeliner, so you don't have to sharpen them every time you use them. So we'll see. We might not finish this year, but I'm going to add it into the project anyway. And it's starting off at 4 grams. I wear brown eyeliner more than I wear black eyeliner because I just find black sometimes can be too harsh. So I'm pretty sure I can use that up. And then I do have an empty product, but it wasn't in my project pan. This has to go in my empties bin. It'll go in my totals for June, but I finished up the Lash Princess by Essence. I love this mascara. This is probably like my 5th time repurchasing this one, so I'm just going to throw that in my empties bin while I'm at it, so I just thought I'd share it with you guys as well. So anyway, that is my progress for this month. I like doing these videos because I like keep tracking it for myself. I can look back and see what products I had, how I liked them, because I usually say when I finish them if I like them or not, so I just like to track them, and then I can see my progress from month to month, from year to year, and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys had a great week last night. Sorry I was last week. Sorry I was absent, but like I said, sometimes you just need to push back a little bit and just take a little break for yourself. I'm not going to say that I didn't film anything during that last week, but I didn't upload, I didn't edit, I didn't do anything. So I just took the week and enjoyed it. We had some warmer weather, so we enjoyed that. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys had a great week. I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I hope your weekend was good, and I hope you were all well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you guys all on Wednesday. Bye, everyone.